Hello friends, and welcome to this tutorial where we are going to discuss about a new feature of Marg, Bill Audit Dispatch Management. As you know that in every business there's a complete process from product order to delivery, which different businessmen manage in different ways. You must notice that when you go to big store to purchase products, there are different counters over there for billing, printing and receiving goods. Along with this, different operators and workers are engaged to complete this process. Marg has developed a new feature, Bill Audit Dispatch Management, with respect to this type of business. With the use of this feature, you can very easily provide user-wise authority to your users and maintain the accuracy and proficiency of the work. You can also track the status of the generated bill, that is, till what stage the delivery has been completed. With the use of bill audit feature, there's no chance for mistake from bill generation to delivery process. Along with this, I would also want to tell you that you can track the process from printing, packing and dispatch with color indication and check till what stage your bill has been completed. Now we'll work on 4 steps, that is billing, printing, packing and then delivery. So let's implement this. Firstly, we will turn the option of bill audit on, for which we will go on masters, Marg setups, and in control rooms, search in all, you will search for bill audit. So here you see there are some options which you can customize according to your convenience. Here you see the first option is bill audit required to print, packing and delivery status. 1 for yes and 2 for no. Means if you want to turn print, packing and delivery option on, then you will set this to yes, else you will set this to no. Then is printing option required. Means if you have requirement of printing option, then you will select yes, else you will select no. You can also edit this field. For example, if you want to change this field from printing to approval, so you can edit or change it from here. Next is printing option allowed to print bill in format. If you select default, so the format you set for bill printing in default, so the printout will be in that format itself. And if you want to set any bill format for bill audit process, so you will enter on select, then you will select 98 or 99 format and select a subname. For now we'll set this to default. Next is packing option required. Means if you have requirement of packing option, then you'll set this to yes, else or no. Similarly, you can edit this field as well. Next is delivery option required. Similarly, if you require delivery step, then you will set this to yes, else or no. Next is refresh screen in second, recommended 10 second. Means in how many seconds do you want the status in bill audit window where the status of the bill is audited or checked, like what bill has been completed and at what time. So in how many seconds do you want to update that status? That number of seconds you will define here. Next is bill audit result show in bill list. As you know, all the bills are displayed in sales book. So if you want, then there also you can audit bills. Through these ticks you can check how many steps are complete. Like we had defined 3 steps: printing, packing and delivery. So if you see 3 ticks besides the bill, then the printing, packing and delivery of that bill is complete. And if 2 ticks are displayed and 1 cross is displayed, so that indicates that the printing and packing is complete, but the delivery is pending because delivery is the 3rd step. Next is 1 time, 2 tick, 3 tick on all and time on undelivered. Means if you want that in this bill audit window, every bill shows the time. Means the printing of this bill was completed these many hours ago. So if you want to see it time wise, then you will set this to 1. And if you want to audit through ticks, then you will set it to 2. And you will select 3 if along with ticks you also want to check time. However, the time will be shown only on undelivered bills. Now we'll keep this one. Next is bill tagging index on 1 area, 2 route, 3 bill number. Means in what sequence do you want to view the bills in bill audit window? Area wise means the ledger whose bill you have created. If you have defined the ledger in that area and you set year 1, so these bills will be shown to you area wise. Like the first bill is of Delhi North, then Delhi South. Similarly, if you want to view route wise, then you will select 2. And if you want to view bill number wise, like bill number 1, 2, 3, 4, so you will set this to 3. Next is ask user code. Means if you want to provide code to your operators, so you will set this to yes. So here the users will feed their code and then bill number. And if you set this to no, then the users will directly feed the bill number. Next is ask issue to salesman. Means if you want to select any MR or salesman for issuing bill, so you will set this to yes. Then is bill edit by 0 no, 1 printing, 2 packing, 3 delivery, 4 2 and 3 and 5 all. Means if you want the printing user to edit bill, then you will set this to 1. And if you want the packing user to edit bill, then you will set this to 2. And you will set 3 to let the delivery user edit bill. And you will set 4 if you want the packing and delivery user to edit bill. And set 5 to let all the users edit bill. And 0 if you don't want any user to edit bill. Then is SMS of bill on new, modify, both, print after LR, bill audit, X for no. Means if you want the party to receive an SMS after his bill is audited, so you will select A and select X if you don't want to send any SMS. Then is ask for email on 1 new and modify bill, 2 bill audit. New and modify means when the bill is created and modified. So if you want to update your customer when his bill is created and modified through email, then you'll set this to yes. And set 2 if you want the party to receive an email after his bill is audited. Then we'll save this settings by pressing the escape key and enter on yes. Now we'll create users, for which we will go on masters and enter on change operator paths and press the F2 function key to create a new user. So the first user we'll create is for billing. You can set any user ID to your user. Like now we define user ID for billing user as bill. You can provide password if required. Then is type. You can define the user's type. Whenever you create a new user, you can define the user's type whenever you create a new user. Like he's a supervisor, manager or an operator. If you set operator, then this user will get operator-wise power and authority. And if you set manager, then he will get manager authority. And the supervisor will get all the authorities. Now we'll enter on operator and select yes to save this. And then press escape. And the user for billing is created. Similarly, we'll create users for printing, packing and delivering as well. So here a user for billing, printing, packing and delivery have been created. So first let's create a bill for which the billing user will feed his user ID, which we had set as bill. So we'll type here bill, BILL, press enter. Then the billing user will create a bill by going on transaction, sale bill. Now suppose the bill of Bilal and Sons is created by the billing user. Now we'll save this. After billing, the next step is printing. So the printing user will feed his user ID, that is printing. Then he'll go on transaction and enter on bill audit. Then select pending, all or finalized. Pending means the bills which are pending. means the bill which aren't complete till delivery. Finalized means the bills whose printing, packing and delivery is complete. And if you select all bills, then all the finalized and pending bills will be displayed. Now we'll select pending bills. So here you see these are our pending bills. Bill number 91, 92 and 97. Also the name of the parties is displayed. Also the name of that party is displayed whose bill it is. And also the bill amount is shown. So now to complete the printing of this bill, the user will feed the bill number, then press enter, then feed user code, then click on submit. The same process you can complete by double clicking on this bill and feed the user code and click on submit. So that bill is gone from the panel since its printing is complete. Now the next step is packing. Now the packing user will feed his user ID, go on transaction and enter on bill audit. Select pending. So these are the pending bills to be packed. So we'll complete the process. Now the next and last step is delivery. So the delivery user will go on transaction and enter on bill audit. So these are the pending bills to be delivered. We'll double click on these bills to complete the delivery. As we complete our last step, the software asks us issue to, means through which MR or salesman do we want to issue this bill. So we'll select one MR and click on OK. So here you see that delivery of our bills is complete. Now let's see how can the admin audit bill. If some customer asks you the status of his bill, means till what stage his bill is completed, whether it's complete or not. So to check that bill status, the admin will go on transaction, bill audit. Then from here he'll select all, pending or finalized. So these are the pending bills whose delivery is yet to be completed. This yellow color indicates that the printing of this bill is completed and packing and delivery is yet to be completed. If the admin wants, then from here itself he can complete all the 3 steps. And then select an MR through whom the bill is to be issued. Here in all bills, you can see all the bills with its status. Here this green color and 3 ticks indicates that the printing, packing and delivery of this bill is complete. And if this bill was blue and there would be 2 ticks on it, then it would indicate that the packing of this bill is complete. If you want, then you can only view finalized bills. You can also audit bills in sales book. Here the check mark is green in color against the bill whose process has been completed. And the cross is red in color against the bill whose bill audit process is not complete. There's one more provision available in the software is that you can set priority for urgent bills. So let's create some bills and see. Like we create one bill for Pankaj Pharma. And we'll create another bill on urgent basis for Ahuja Medicine Center. Before saving this bill, we'll press the tilde key and here in remark we will mention important, urgent or by hand. Now we'll save this. Then the printing user will go on bill audit. where he'll see that bill, which was created for Ahuja Medicine Center, is displayed first and in red color, which indicates that it's an important bill. So let's complete this. Similarly, for packing user as well, the bill will be displayed in red color. And this one tick indicates that the printing of this bill is complete. Similarly, for delivery user, the bill will be displayed in red. Now let's go to the admin user, where in bill audit, you see the option of area. Here in this drop down, there are areas which we have created. If you want to filter the bills of Himachal Pradesh over here, then you will select Himachal Pradesh and click on OK. So here you see only the bills of Himachal Pradesh is displayed. Similarly, if I want that only the bills of North Delhi are shown, then I'll enter on North Delhi and click on OK. So the bills only of North Delhi are displayed. So friends, with the use of bill audit option, you can easily manage your dispatch process. With the use of this option, there's no room for bill misplace, and you can create users and provide them power and authority. Easily you can track which bill is complete, which one is pending, and you can update your customers through email, SMS about the status of their order. So we hope you use this option to the fullest and share your ideas with us. Thank you. Further, for any queries, you can call on a landline number which is 011 309 69600, or you can also chat on a website which is www.margcompsoft.com. You can also SMS us on 56767. If you want to learn any feature of Marg software in detail, then you can view or download a video tutorial from our website, that is www.tutorial.margcompsoft.com.
क्या आप अकाउंट्स में बिजी रहते हैं? क्या आपके स्टॉक्स टैली नहीं होते?
Yes.
क्या आप वैट रिटर्न से परेशान हैं?
Yes.
ये लीजिए मार्ग, ट्रेड स्पेशलाइज्ड इन्वेंटरी एंड अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर विद ऑन साइट सपोर्ट एंड कस्टमाइजेशन, ताकि आपका ध्यान बिजनेस में रहे, अकाउंटिंग में नहीं।